Hey guys, my name is Trina. Today's video is going to be Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. If this is your first time here and you want to learn more about skincare, please don't forget to click the subscribe and notification bell so you don't miss any beauty videos. This is the toner. I have my phone and I'm going to read you guys the claims about this toner. It claims it is a concentrate essence toner that's formulated with cloudberry, superfruit rich in vitamin C, and it has powerhouse antioxidants. It is suitable for normal dry combination and oily skin. The ingredients it has: cloudberry concentrate, it has vitamin C and E, which visibly brightens and hydrates the skin, and it also has coenzyme, which is an antioxidant that visibly strengthens the skin, and it also has glycerin and rice wort, which is supposed to seal in the moisture and hydrate and nourish your skin, and is vegan and cruelty free. It retails for $38 and it's available at Sephora. This is the toner. Now I'm going to open it, and it has a pump, which is great. I love toners that have a pump. Usually they don't normally come with a pump, but I love this. So I'm going to squeeze some on my hand, and it looks like this, and it's very runny. As you can see, it's very runny and clear. Now I'm going to smell it. It smells sweet, so it has a sweet fragrance scent to it. My honest opinions about this Glow Recipe Cloudberry Bright Essence Toner. The first thing I like about is that right away I instantly saw how it brightened my skin. Not only it brightened my skin, it hydrate and moisturize it. My face doesn't feel dry at all. I just really like it. For first impression, this toner did an amazing job of brightening my skin. It claims that it helps reduce dark spots on the skin, which is amazing. I definitely need that. But for first impression, I definitely have to continue using this product to see if it will reduce my dark spots. I have dark spots here and here, so hopefully when I continue using this product, it will help reduce the dark spots. But overall, I just really like this so much. This is an amazing product that is clean, and remember, it retails for $38 and it's available at Sephora. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this review of this toner. If you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe right here, and I'll see you in my next video.